हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। आप लोग स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल रेलवे ज्ञान में। आज मैं आप लोग के लिए पार्ट 2 मुंबई डिवीज़न एलजीएस सीनियरिटी कम सुटेबिलिटी एग्ज़ाम पेपर का पार्ट 2 लाया हूँ। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। 51 क्वेश्चन। गेज इज मेजर्ड ब्लैंक mm बिलो रेल टेबल। इट्स आंसर ऑप्शन बी 13 mm। Next question 52. Sleeper spacing on a curve is the center to center distance between two consecutive sleepers when measured at. Answer option A outer rail. Next question 53. Maximum permissible gradient on LWR is. Answer option A 1 in 100. Next question 54. Deficiency of ballast on LWR track during summer may result in. Answer option B buckling. Next question 55. Most feasible parameter to judge the health of an LWR will be. Answer option A gaps measured at the ACs. Next question 56. Hot weather patrolling is to be introduced in LWR territory. Answer option C when the rail temperature goes beyond TD plus 20. Next question 57. In PSC sleeper track, what speed restriction should be imposed during consolidation period on LWR when the temperature goes beyond TD plus 20 degree, when crib and shoulder ballast compaction has been done. Answer option D 50 kmph. Next question 58. The breathing length of an LWR exhibits movement of. Answer option A rail sleeper frame. Next question 59. CWR is similar to an LWR except for. Answer option C its distressing has to be done by splitting it into parts. Next question 60. Of the various types of thermometers, the most reliable and quick device. Answer option C dial type thermometer. Next question 61. Maintenance operations in a LWR should be restricted to a temperature range of. Answer option A TD plus 10 to TD minus 30. Next question 62. While doing deep screening in LWR territory, if the rail temperature is anticipated to rise above TD plus 10 degrees Celsius, we should do the following. Answer option D do a temporary de-stressing at a temperature of T maximum minus 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. While passing an LWR over a girder bridge, the rail sleeper fitting should be. Answer option A rail free type. Next question 64. The gap at ACG at the time of laying / subsequent distressing of LWR for a 52 kg rail section. Answer option B 40 mm. Next question. Gap survey of an SWR has to be done. Answer option C before the onset of the summer season in February/March. Next question 66. Distressing by tensor has to be resorted to when. Answer option C the prevailing temperature is less than TD. Next question 67. Hot weather patrolman have a beat of. Answer option A 2 km on single line track. Next question 68. If the temperature rise above TD plus 20 degrees Celsius, hot weather patrolling can be started by. Answer option D gangmate. Next question 69. In a yard with LWR for track circuiting make use of. Answer option B glued joints of G3L type. Next question 70. The maximum curvature permitted for laying in LWR is. Answer option A 4 degree curve. Next question 71. ACJ are inspected by the PW/APWI once. Answer option D every 15 days in the 2 hottest and 2 coldest months of the year and once in 2 months from the remaining period. Next question 72. Generally, while performing through packing manual on LWR opening up. Answer option D only 30 slippers to be opened within a temperature range of TD plus 10 and TD minus 30 degrees Celsius. Next question 73. Question. Permissible speed on 1 in 8.5 turnout with curve switch 52 or 60 T/kg on PSC slipper. Answer option B 15 kmph. Next question 74. Emergency repairs to a buckled track involve. Answer option C gas cut and sleeve back to original alignment. Next question 75. Formation is classified on very bad when number of attention received in a year are more than. Answer option D 12. Next question 76. Maximum permissible vertical wear on wing rail or nose of crossing shall be. Answer option A 10 mm. Next question 77. OMS equipment measures. Answer option A ride index. Next question 78. For checking correct curvature of tongue rail, ordinates should be measured. Answer option C at midpoint and quarter points of the tongue rail. Next question. On a fan shaped layout, same slippers can be used for a right hand T-oblique and left hand T-oblique for this purpose. Answer option A right end of the slippers should remain on right side. Next question 80. Recommended throw of switch on BZ is. Answer option D 115 mm. Next question 81. Behind the heel of a switch, spherical washer should be fitted on left hand side towards a blank surface. Answer option B inclined. Next question 82. Chord length for measuring lead curvature of a turnout is. Answer option C 6 meter. Next question. As per the provisions of IRPWM, the gauge just ahead of actual toe switch shall be for switch entry angle less than equal to 0 degree 20 degree 0 and blanks for. Answer B net plus 6 mm. Next question 84. Frequency of inspection of point and crossing on running lines by a PWI in charge and his assistant in once in blanks in rotation. Answer option C 3 months. Next question 85. Maximum permissible speed on 1 in 12 curve switch is blanks kmph. Answer option A 30. Next question 86. The maximum permissible value for kind deficiency is blanks mm on group a route with nominated rolling stocks. Answer option C 100 mm. Next question 87. The maximum permissible value for actual cant deficiency and cant excess is blank and mm respectively for broad gauge group C route. Answer option B 165, 75, 75. 88th question. The maximum inbuilt twist on a transition curve is t plus mm per meter for broad gauge. Answer option B 2.8 mm per meter. Next question 89. Frequency of inspection of a curve by PWI in busy group A routes is once in. Answer option SSC in charge inspection of JEE SSC base. Next question 90. Extra shoulder width of ballast on curve double line in LWR is. Answer option B 300 mm. Next question 91. As per IRPWM, one speed breaker should be provided. Answer option C 20. 92 question. Station to station bus sign variation permitted for 110 kmph speed is t plus mm. Answer option A 15 mm. Next question 93. Emergency crossover should be. Answer option A lubricated on the gauge face to reduce derailment proneness. Next question 94. Radius of a 5-degree curve is. Answer option C 350. Next question 95. Acceleration peaks exceeding ploughing is taken for track quality assessment on busy high speed routes. Answer option B 0.15 G. Next question 96. Track is classified as very good if the average number of total verified and lateral acceleration peaks per km on high speed route is. Answer option B less than 1.0. 97. Frequency of overhauling of a level crossing is once a. Answer option A year. Next question 98. Height gauge should be located at a minimum distance of blank meter from the gate post. Answer option B 8 meter. Next question 99. In skew level crossing, the angle of crossing should not be. Answer option B D 45 degree. Next question 100. A gateman should have certificate of fitness of class blanks from medical department. Answer option B A3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग 101 से 110 तक हिंदी राजभाषा का क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था। 101 नंबर क्वेश्चन है हिंदी का। हिंदी भाषा को राजभाषा के रूप में कब स्वीकार किया गया? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 14 सितंबर 1949 को। उसके बाद 102 क्वेश्चन है, राजभाषा अधिनियम कब लागू हुआ था? तो आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए 10 मई 1963। इसके बाद 103 क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, राजभाषा विभाग किस मंत्रालय के अधीन है? तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा ए मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स, यानी कि गृह मंत्रालय। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे 104 नंबर, राजभाषा अधिनियम 1963 किस राज्य में लागू नहीं है? तो कर्नाटक राज्य में लागू नहीं है। इसके बाद 105 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, स्टेशनों के नाम के बोर्ड के शीर्ष पर स्टेशन का नाम किस भाषा में लिखा जाता है? तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा क्षेत्रीय। इसके बाद 106 नंबर प्रश्न देखेंगे, महाराष्ट्र राज्य राजभाषा अधिनियम 1976 के अनुसार कौन सा क्षेत्र में सम्मिलित है? तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा सी क्षेत्र बी में। इसके बाद 107 नंबर प्रश्न देखेंगे, भारत में पहले हिंदी अखबार का नाम क्या है? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ख उदंत मार्तंड। इसके बाद अगला प्रश्न देखेंगे 108 नंबर, राजभाषा अधिनियम की धारा 3(3) कब से लागू हुई? तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा डी घ 26 जनवरी 1965। इसके बाद 109 नंबर प्रश्न देखेंगे, मैथिली शरण गुप्त पुरस्कार इनमें से किस कार्य के लिए दिया जाता है? तो मैथिली शरण गुप्त जो है काव्य संग्रह के लिए दिया जाता है। ठीक है। इसके बाद अंतिम प्रश्न 110 नंबर देखेंगे, गुजरात राज्य राजभाषा अधिनियम 1976 के अनुसार कौन सा क्षेत्र में सम्मिलित है? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सी, क्षेत्र बी में। तो ऐसा ही वीडियो लेटेस्ट एग्ज़ाम या प्रीवियस एग्ज़ाम पेपर का आप लोग देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल रेलवे ज्ञान को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और ताकि आगे से कोई भी वीडियो में कोई भी एग्ज़ाम का अपलोड करूं तो आप तक प्रोवाइड हो सके। धन्यवाद।